Today's featured car of the day is a 1969 Buick GS 400 convertible. And this car has only 94,000 original miles. And I'll read you from the seller's sign that he had made up here, which this car was at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it sold for $38,000. And according to the seller's sign that he made up, as I mentioned, it has 94,000 original miles, two-owner car prior to me, matching numbers, 400 cubic inch engine, 3-speed turbohydromatic 400 automatic transmission, bucket seats with console, highly optioned car, factory air conditioning, power windows, power four-way driver's seat, power top with glass window, tilt wheel, power door locks, map light and rear view mirror, new retro stereo and speakers, original interior in nice shape, new custom floor mats, power brakes, brand new custom tires and wheels, original wheel covers and trunk, huge file of receipts and documentation, always a California car, current registration. The car looks and drives fantastic. And he's right about that. It did look fantastic, that's for sure. And like I mentioned, it sold for $38,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it's pretty rare car, actually. They only built in 1969. They built 1,564 convertible GS 400s. 48 were 3 speeds, 214 were 4 speeds, and 1,303 were automatics. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.